Hi everyone, my name is Aled Phillips, Chartered Financial Planner and Operations Director at Niche. Firstly, the invasion of Ukraine has caused tragic loss of life and suffering, and our thoughts are with all those affected. The events in Eastern Europe are being felt all around the world, particularly being reflected in day-to-day volatility in investment markets. As we did with major market disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, we are speaking to the investment managers every day just to keep abreast of their views on what's going on in the market and what is causing the volatility. Extreme volatility and uncertainty like we're currently seeing can be very concerning, but what's important to remember is that through stress testing and using very conservative assumptions in your financial plan, we've already accounted for drops in the market as we're seeing at the moment. Our central investment proposition has been carefully constructed to ensure broad diversification across the whole of the market, and therefore typically the Russian exposure within the portfolio has been less than 0.5% of the total allocation. This time the Russian stock markets are effectively frozen with no trading going on, so that part of the portfolio would need to remain there. The knee-jerk reaction often in times like this is that people feel that they need to sell down into cash to avoid further loss. And although this might seem like a good short-term decision, you're putting yourself in a very difficult position of having to time the way back in and therefore missing the potential recovery and crystallizing long-term losses. Therefore, our advice remains that the best course of action is to remain invested. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, there were a number of videos which we've released, and we'll provide a link to one of these on the bull and bear markets by our chairman Ray in the description below. Looking forward, we don't think that the market has yet reached the bottom, but it's impossible to second guess. Investment managers are already looking to buy into the dip with clients with available cash, giving an indication of their thoughts on market direction in the medium term, and that the valuations are looking quite attractive again in certain areas of the market. If you do have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, contact your advisor, and we'll be happy to have a call to discuss any changes in the value of the portfolio or just to run through the assumptions in your financial plan and review your cash flow. Thank you.